Hello, today I'm reviewing these JBL noise cancelling headphones. I will show you what's inside the box and share my overall thoughts with you.
Here's how the JBL Tune 770 noise cancellation headphones came. They're clean, modern package with all of the standout features right on the front. You get up to 70 hours of battery, adaptive noise cancelling, Bluetooth, and the classic JBL pure bass sound. Inside, everything is neatly packaged and protected. Really love how travel ready the setup already feels. And this is how I've got them set up in my hard shell case. Super easy to move the headphones around a bit so they just fit right. I've also added an airplane adapter, which is perfect for flights, plus the USB-C charging cable and the instruction manual. It keeps everything neat and ready to go, whether I'm at home or traveling. I also love that you can customize the sound with JBL app and even switch to ambient aware or talk through modes if you want to hear your surroundings.
What I love about these headphones is they're actually very comfortable on my ears, and you can also adjust it right here. Depends how you want up more or more down. And after wearing these headphones for almost 3 hours on my recent flight, I noticed that they're not very hardish on my ears, and the noise canceling was very, very good. So I was able to cut all of the sound from airplane and all of that noise and was having very comfortable flight.
Let's take a closer look at the right ear cup controls. Here you'll find the volume up and down buttons, and central multifunction button for play, pause, and call management, a dedicated button to toggle between active noise cancelling, ambient aware, and talk through modes, and the power button. These tactical buttons make it easy to control your audio experience without reaching for your device.
What I also love about them is that they're very comfortable on your ears, and you can see I can like squish them up and down. You can adjust them. They go right and left. And I also love that it has like a padding on top, which does not force on top of your head, so it makes it even more comfortable to wear for a longer time.
Overall, these headphones are super versatile. They're perfect for travel, work, or just relaxing with your favorite show. And I absolutely love them. Highly, highly recommend to check them out. Thanks for watching.